Alright, so let's make your PC fast. Just click on the start button and type performance. So we'll type here PR performance. So just go in this option settings, adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. So here what you are going to do is click on adjust for best performance and just click on this third last option and click on OK. So this will disable all your animations and other settings to make your PC fast. Now what you are going to do is type here in the settings startup apps and disable majority of the apps and leave some of those like you use on daily basis, or like this Realtek HD audio, which in my case I require it, so I turn it on. Now you go here and type storage and go to storage settings and turn on storage sense. So this will automatically delete temporary files and free up your space. Now go to temporary files and you can see you can select, except this first option of downloads, you can select every other option, and you can even delete this also and just click on remove files here. So this will remove all your files that are of no use to you and make your PC fast. Now you can do the same thing from here also. You can type disk cleanup and you hit enter, and these are the same two different ways of doing the same thing. And you can also click here, click up system files, you can open it and now it calculates. So these are the two different methods of doing the same thing. So let it clean, and next after that you go and search for search indexing. So open this first one, Windows search in settings, and select classic here. If you have selected enhanced, this will use more of your CPU and battery life. And after doing this, you can just search here battery. So sleep power and battery settings. And what you are going to do is click on power mode, and for on battery you can either select balanced or best performance, and for your plugged in you always have to select best performance. So this makes the best use of your hardware. And after that just go to this gaming section and click on this game mode and always turn this on. So whenever you are using some high graphics application, this automatically turns off all the background applications that are of no use. And one more thing you are going to do is just type on services and hit enter. So I have installed many applications. So you can look for applications like here I have Google Updater Service. So I will go on properties, and in default setting it is selected to automatic. So you have to select the manual option and click on OK. So you have to do this for other applications, like this one I did for Google Chrome, and there are many other applications like you have Microsoft Edge. I have MySQL installed, so I have just completely disabled the startup type because I don't use it nowadays. So I have MongoDB also installed. So these are many of the applications that run in the background and consume your power and CPU. So you have to either turn them to manual or disable if you don't use them very frequently. And that was all for this. Thank you.